Hello students, in the previous class we have discussed about how to find the equation of circle passing through 3 points. How to find that? Suppose 3 given points like x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are there. They are not collinear. Now how to find the equation of circle passing through those 3 points? We have so many methods to find the equation of circle passing through 3 points. The best method is to choose the standard equation is your required equation, that is like s is equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, and substitute the 3 given points in the circle equation s is equals to 0. We obtain 3 conditions in FGC. What is your standard form? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Replace x comma y by the coordinates of the points. We obtain 3 conditions in GFC. We have the 3 equations. Solve these 3 equations. We get FGC values. Substitute FGC values in the above equation s is equals to 0. We obtain the required equation of circle directly. Without finding the center, we obtain the equation of circle. Or otherwise, you choose x1 comma y1 is the center of circle, say CP is equals to CQ, CQ is equal to CR, where PQR are the given points. We have the 2 equations. By equating CP to CQ and CQ to CR, solve those 2 equations, we get the center. After getting the center, we can easily find the radius of circle by finding the distance from center to any point on the circle, that is PR, QR, S. We get the radius also. Once if you know the center and radius, you can write the equation of circle by x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equals to r square. Or otherwise, you can find any 2 perpendicular bisectors of the 3 sides of the triangle. That means you have ABC points. Find the perpendicular bisector of AB. Again find the perpendicular bisector of BC. We have 2 perpendicular bisectors. By solving their point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector, you get the center of the circle. From that center, you can find the distance from center to the any point on the circle, that gives the radius of the circle. Once if you have center and radius, you can easily write the equation of circle by x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equals to r square. So in this manner, you have so many methods to find the equation of circle passing through the 3 given points. Okay, let us see some example related to this one. Find the equation of circle passing through 3 points 3 comma 4, 3 comma 2, 1 comma 4. These are the 3 given points. They are not collinear. Find the slope from here to here. You can find the slope of these 2 points also. They are not equal. That is why the 3 points are not collinear. Therefore, there exists unique circle passing through these 3 points. Am I correct or not? Yes. Now, how to find the equation of circle? So, we choose the standard equation s is equal to 0 is the required equation of circle passing through the 3 points. This is the best method, I think so. You may use any of the method what we discussed earlier. So, let us see the rough diagram to this one. These are the 3 given points. Dear students, this is only the rough diagram. I am not mentioning each and every point on the exact plan. So, these are the 3 points. This is your required circle passing through the 3 points. Just simple diagram related to this one. Before going to do the method which I considering s is equals to 0, let us check whether these 3 points forms a right angle triangle or not. If the 3 points forms a right angle triangle, your job is over, because angle in semicircle is 90 degrees. Therefore, your diameter becomes what? Ends of the diameter. Ends of the diameter are what? They are ends of the hypotenuse of triangle. They are the ends of the hypotenuse of triangle. Let us see, dear students, what is the slope of line joining of these 2 points? 2 minus 4 by 3 minus 3. That is infinity. Now find the slope of these 2 points. What happened? 2 by 3, 2 by minus 2. What is the slope of first and last? 4 minus 4, that is 0 by 1 minus 3 minus 2. This is 0, this is infinity. So this is the common point, 3 comma 4 and 3 comma 4, 3 comma 2 and 1 comma 4. This is the common point. The slope of line joining of these two is infinity, slope of line joining of these two is 0. That means we have a right angle triangle at this point 3 comma 4. At this point 3 comma 4. If you draw original diagram, you get in this manner 3 comma 4. This is origin, this is 3 units, this is 4. This is 3 comma 4. What about 3 comma 2? This is same 3 units, this is 3 comma 2. In the same manner, third point is 1 comma 4. This is 1 unit, this is 4 units. This is 1 comma 4. So by joining these 3 points, we obtain the right angle triangle in this manner. We have the right angle triangle. So we have to find out the equation of circle passing through the 3 points, means the circumcircle of the triangle. Circumcircle of this triangle. This is 90 degrees. What about this? Hypotenuse. This becomes your diameter, one of the diameter of your circle. So we have the ends of the diameter. What are the ends of the diameter? 1 comma 4 and 3 comma 2. These are the ends of the diameter. So one line is parallel to x-axis, other one is parallel to y-axis. Therefore 1 comma 4 and 3 comma 2 are the ends of diameter. By looking itself, you can write the equation of circle. What is that? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus dot product. 3 1s are 3, 4 2s are 8. That is 11 is equals to 0. Sum of x coefficient, this is sum of y coefficient. Minus sum of x coefficient into x minus sum of y coefficient into y coordinates. Sum of x coordinates, sum of y coordinates. That is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equals to 0 is the required equation of circle. Dear students, luckily we have the right angle triangle. We have formed the right angle triangle by using these 3 points. 3 comma 4, 3 comma 2 and 1 comma 4. Suppose that the 3 given points doesn't forms a right angle triangle, what you have to do? You go for the standard form. Okay, let us see how to do that one also. These are the 3 points. I am not observing that forms a right angle triangle. The general procedure, how to give the general procedure. Let s equal to 0 be the required equation of circle. For any 3 points, this is the best method for you, I think so. Let s is equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 be the required equation of circle. That is the circle passing through your 3 given points. So I am going to substitute the 3 points in my s is equals to 0. When you substitute 3 comma 4, what we get? 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to 9 plus 16, that is 25. It is coming to the right side, that is minus 25. Am I correct or not? 3 comma 4. Now substituting 3 comma 2, what happened? 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to 9 plus 4, that is 13. When it is coming to the right side, that is minus 13. Just I am replacing x by 3, y by 2. Replacing x by 1, y by 4. What happened? 1 square plus 4 square, that is 16 plus 1, 17. If it is coming to the right side, that is minus 17. 2gx, 2 1s are 2. 2g. Again what? 4 2s are 8. 8f plus c. These are the 3 conditions. By using the substituting the 3 points in your s is equals to 0. Dear students, when you are substituting the points, very carefully how to substitute, because once if you lose any calculation, the entire solution will be wrong. Am I correct or not? That is why when you are substituting the point in the circle equation, very be careful. Now I am subtracting this from this, because the first target is you have to eliminate c. You have 3 equations in c. By subtracting one from other, we eliminate c value. After eliminating c, we have 2 equations in f and g. By solving those 2 equations itself, we get f comma g. After getting f comma g, substitute in any one of these 3 equations, we obtain c also. Now substitute fgc equation, fgc values in your s is equals to 0. We obtain the required equation of the circle. So now I am subtracting 1 from 2. Say this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. So by subtracting this from this, what happened? 4f is equals to minus 12. Am I correct or not? So 4 3s are 12, implies f is equals to minus 3. Next, you can subtract this from this also, but for my sake of convenience, I am subtracting from here to here, because 8 of gets cancelled. 1 minus 3 implies what? This is 1 minus 2. One minus 3 implies what? 6g minus 2g, that is 4g. Next, 8 of gets cancelled, CC also gets cancelled, minus 25 minus 17. What is the value? Minus 8. Minus 25 plus 17, that is minus 8, implies g equal to minus 2. You have f value, g value. Substitute f comma g in any of these three equations. Substitute in the second equation, 6 into g, 6 2s are 12, that is minus 12. And 4f, 4 3s are minus 12. Okay, plus c is equals to what? Minus 13. This is minus 24. When it is coming to the right side, what is the value of c? C is equals to 24 minus 13. What is the value? That is 11. So we have C is equals to 11 and Z is equals to what? Minus 2. F is equal to minus 3. Just to substitute the values in C is equals to 0, we obtain the required equation of circle. That is what? X square plus y square 2gx minus 4x 2fy minus 6y plus constant. What is your constant? 11 is equals to 0. Already we obtained this equation by observing the triangle formed by the three vertices as right angled triangle. So in previously we obtained the same equation. So this is the general method. Here the solving is very easy for you. There is no g here, there is no f here. That is why we obtain f comma g values directly. Sometimes or not, 90% of the time we have f comma g equations. This is the equation in terms of f and g. This is also the term equation in terms of f and g. By solving these two equations, we obtain f comma g. So a little bit of calculation will be more in the other problems. That is why you have to solve these two equations in terms of f and g. We get f comma g values. Substitute f comma g values in any equation having c. We obtain c also. Substitute f, g, c values in this equation, we obtain the required equation of circle. In this process, we need not to go for the finding the center and radius. Write the equation by x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equals to r square, like that. So directly we obtain the equation of the circle passing through your three given points. Alternative method is what? You have to choose x1 comma y1 is the center of the circle. Make any two distances, that is say it is say s. This is A, this is B, this is C. Make SA is equal to SB, we get one equation. SB is equal to SC, we get another equation. Solve those two equations, we get x1, y1. From that, you calculate the radius r by finding either SA is equal to SB is equals to SC. After getting center and radius, write the equation of the circle. This is the method. Understand? Alternative method. This is the general method. I think you have to use this method to obtain the solution directly or neatly, like that. So x square 3 comma 4, 3 comma 2, 1 comma 4 are the vertices of your triangle. That means your circle is passing through these 3 points. So this if you join like this, you get triangle always. Then the circle is called the circumcircle of the triangle. So the circle passing through the 3 vertices of triangle called circumcircle. So always one triangle should be obtained. The circle passing through 3 vertices is called circumcircle of the triangle. Right? So this is the method to find the equation of circle passing through the 3 points. So IP point of view, these are the methods. We have one shortcut method is also there. This method may be used in the objective also. I will explain simply, but you have to better to use this in only objective manner. So I will give the clue, but I am not in a position to why we are doing in this manner, because the concept is related to the topic system of circles. That is why when we go to the system of circles, then I can explain how we are taking in this manner. So just now I am going to how to proceed. I am giving the procedure itself only. How we are taking in this manner will be explained in the when we are entering into the system of circles. Okay, let us see. Dear students, listen carefully. I want to find the equation of circle passing through these 3 points. I don't know this forms a right angle triangle. For any 3 points, just by looking the 3 points, we are going to find the equation of circle. So it takes also some little bit of time, even though it is better method. Okay, 3, 4, 3, 2 and 1, 4 are the 3 points. Select any 2 points out of these 3. First point, second point, or second, third, or first and third. You may take any 2 points. So for my convenience, whatever it may be, I am taking these 2 points. 3, 2, 1, 4. What you are going to take the first step? Select any 2 points out of the 3 points. This is the 3, 2, 1, 4. Objective method, I am saying. Now, can you write the equation of circle whose ends of the diameter by looking these 2 points itself or not? Yes, I am going to write this equation. Whose ends of the diameter equation? That is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus dot product. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 4s are 8. That is 11. This is the circle whose ends of the diameter are 3, 2 and 1, 4. Dear students, here the triangle is right angle triangle at this point. This is the final answer. But I don't know. This forms a right angle triangle. I am not observing. Even though we get the correct answer in this method, just we take any 2 points. I am taking these 2 points. The answer is itself for this problem. But for general problems, you have to change. That is why x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is the circle formed by this 3, 2 and 1, 4 as ends of the diameter. So in this problem, I have chosen these 2 points as ends of the diameter. This is the circle. This is not my required circle. This is the circle whose ends of diameter are 3, 2 and 1, 4 as shown in this figure. Rough diagram. But our circle passing through this point also. That is why I am constructing a circle passing through the points of intersection of my line L equal to 0 and S equal to 0. It is always of the form S plus lambda L equal to 0. I will explain this thing in the system of circles. How it is obtained. Very simple thing, but we need not go for that deeply. S plus lambda L equal to 0. What is L here? Line joining of these 2 points. So we have the equation of circle ends of diameter plus lambda times of write the line equation. To write the line equation, what is the slope here? 4 minus 2, 2 by 1 minus 3, that is also minus 2. 2 by minus 2. Dear students, be careful. Don't simplify this ratio. Don't simplify the ratio. Minus 2 by 2 itself. By looking the slope itself, can you write the line equation or not? 2x plus 2y. What is the slope here? Minus 2 by 2. Am I correct or not? Exactly we obtain. How to get the constant is equals to substitute any one of the point. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. That is 10. That means minus 10 is equals to 0. You first form in this manner. I repeat once again. Out of 3 points, take any 2 points. Write the equation of circle on AB as diameter. Suppose this is my point A, this is the point B. Write the equation of circle on AB as diameter. Plus lambda times of write the line equation. When you are writing the line equation, don't simplify this slope. 2x plus 2y or x plus y both represent same expressions, but you have to write 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equals to 0. In this manner, we obtain the equation. Now substitute the point. Which one is we have missed? What is the point here? 3, 4. Substitute 3, 4 here itself. Substitute the 3, 4 here itself. We obtain the lambda. Substitute lambda again in your equation. We obtain the required equation of the circle. 9 plus 16 minus 12 minus 24 plus 11 plus lambda times of 2 3s are 6 plus 2 4s are 8 minus 10 is equals to 0. What is its value? 25 minus 24 we mean 1. that is 1 plus 11, 12, 12, 12 gets cancelled. That is 0 plus lambda times of, this is what? Minus to 4 is equal to 0. We mean lambda is equals to 0. When lambda equal to 0, the entire expression will become 0. So the required equation is what? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. This is the shortcut method. So what you have to do? I repeat once again. Take any 2 points out of 3 given points. By looking itself, write the equation of circle as AB as diameter. So this is your A, this is your B. AB as diameter. And write the line equation of AB also at the same time. By writing the line equation itself, you have to care about, don't simplify this fraction. Suppose we have minus 6 by 2. Take as minus 6 by 2 as 6x plus 2y. You have to take like that. If you find the slope itself, you get the same value. Your slope is minus a by b. What is the equation? Ax plus by. Corresponding equation is what? Ax plus by. Your slope is a by b. What is the corresponding equation? Ax minus by is equal to, you write is equal to, substitute the point, take the constant to the left side. Immediately we obtain the line equation. So S plus lambda L equal to 0. Form in this manner. Substitute the third point. We obtain the lambda value. Keep lambda value in S plus lambda L equal to 0. We get the required equation. By practice itself, we can write the equation of circle by below 1 minute. Okay, it takes below 1 minute minimum. Okay, this is the procedure to find the equation of circle passing through 3 points in shortcut way. Okay. Now let us see the next concept. Concyclic points. The next concept is concyclic points. Suppose 4 or more points lies on a circle, then they are called concyclic points. Not concentric circles, concyclic. Already you know the word concyclic, cyclic quadrilateral, like that. Concyclic points. Suppose 4 or more points lies on a circle, we say that they are concyclic. Am I correct or not? 4 or more points lies on a circle called concyclic points. Simple definition. Suppose there are 3 points which forms a triangle, I mean they are not collinear. Immediately there exists unique circle passing through those 3 points. That is not a matter. Suppose 4 points, you have their coordinates. If they satisfy some equation, we say that those 4 points are concyclic. Instead of 4, you may have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, whatever it may be. So in that time, we say that the 4 points or more points are said to be concyclic if they are lies on a circle. Okay. These are the 4 points as shown in this figure. 4 or more, you may take 5 points also. One circle passing through these 4 points or more than 4 points, then we say that the 4 points are concyclic. At the same time, we say that these 4 points forms a quadrilateral. That quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Now, how to find the equation of circle passing through 4 points? We mean you take any 3 points, find the equation of circle, automatically that circle satisfies the 4th point also. So find the equation of circle passing through 4 points. Yes, if you have that is meaningful, you take any 3 points, find the equation of circle, automatically that equation satisfies the 4th point also. Am I correct or not? What you have to show here, suppose we are going to show that 4 points are concyclic. Your 4 points are concyclic. We mean take any of the 3 points, find the equation of circle, substitute the 4th point. If it satisfies, we say that the 4 points are concyclic. If the 4th point doesn't satisfy, we say that the 4 points are not concyclic. That means one point is outside or inside to the circle passing through the previous 3 points. Am I correct or not? So in this manner, we can show that the given 4 points are whether concyclic or not. Understand? So any point, any 4 points, you choose 3 points from the 4 points. Okay, any 3 points. Find the equation of circle by using the previous methods. Substitute the 4th point in the equation. If it is satisfies, we say that the 4 points are concyclic. Understand? This is the corresponding diagram. This quadrilateral is called what? Cyclic quadrilateral. So you take any 3 points, find the equation of circle. Am I correct or not? If it satisfies the 4th point also, we say that they are concyclic. See this problem related to the concyclic points. This is also very important model related to IPE. Show that 1, 1, minus 6, 0, minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 8 are concyclic. How to show this one? Take any 3 points out of 4 points. This can be selected in how many ways? 4C3 ways. So whatever it may be, you take one set of 3 points out of the given 4 points. You find the equation of circle passing through the 3 points. Am I correct or not? We get some S is equal to 0, satisfies the 3 given points by taking 3 points. Substitute the 4th point in the equation. If that satisfies, what do you say? The 4 points are concyclic. So you take any 3 points out of these 4 points. I am going to take the first 3 points. I would like to find the equation of circle passing through the first 3 points. After then, substitute minus 2, minus 8 and that S is equal to 0. If that satisfies, we say that the 4 points are concyclic. That is the method to show that given 4 points are concyclic. How to start this one? Let S equal to 0 be the required equation of circle. So here, these are the 4 given points as shown in this figure. This is clearly rough diagram. This is your circle passing through these 4 points. Then only we say that these 4 points are concyclic. So first of all, I am going to find the equation of circle passing through the 3 given points. This is the corresponding diagram. Okay. Let S equal to 0 be the required equation of circle. What is S here? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the equation of circle passing through the 3 points. Passing through first 3 points. This is the equation of circle passing through the first 3 points. Up to here. Now, what is the method? Substitute the 3 points in this equation. Solve the 3 equations. We get FGC values. Substitute FGC values here itself. We get S is equals to 0. By substituting 1, 1 here, what happened? 2g plus 2f. 2g plus 2f plus c is equals to minus 2. So just to double the coordinates. Write g here, write f here. Squaring and adding, put minus sign. Okay. Substitute minus 6, 0 here. What happened? Minus 12g plus 0f plus c is equals to minus 36. Because 36 plus 0, 36 when it is coming to the right side, minus 36. Substitute the third point. What happened? Minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equals to 4 plus 4, 8. When it is coming to the right side, that is minus 8. When you are substituting the points, very careful, because once if you lose the calculation here itself, the entire solution will be changed. You get the wrong answer. Okay. Now these are the 3 equations in FGCs. We have to eliminate C first of all. Okay. Remember, students, don't go to eliminate a G or F or like that. You have to eliminate C first of all. Then you get 2 equations in G, F, solve them, you get G, F values, substitute G, F values in union of the equation, we obtain C value, and then substitute F, G, C here itself, we get the required equation. Now, this is equation number 1, say, this is 2, this is 3. 1 minus 2, what happened? 1 minus 2 implies 2 minus of minus plus 12, 14G. Plus 2f is equal to CC gets cancelled, that is 34. Okay. Implies what happened? By cancel out 2 on both sides, 7g plus f is equals to 17. This is equation number 4, say. Again, 2 minus 3, what happened? 2 minus 3 implies minus 12 plus 4, that is minus 8g. Next, minus 4f is equals to minus 36 plus 8, minus 28. Cancel out 4 on both sides, minus 4 itself cancel out. What happened? 2 plus f is equals to 4 sevens. This is equation number 5. This is the equation number 4. This is the equation number 5. These are two equations. They are purely in f comma g. So in my first part, we eliminate the value of c here. So we have two equations 4 and 5 in g comma f. By solving these two equations itself, we get g comma f values. What you have to do? Just to subtract 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5, what happened? 7 minus 2, 5g is equals to 10. What is the value of g? G equal to 2. Substitute g is equal to 2 in any of these two equations. From 5 implies, substitute g value itself, 2 are 4, 4 plus f equal to 7. Implies what is the value of f here? 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. We have g is equals to 2, f is equals to 3. Substitute g comma f values in any of these three equations, 1, 2, 3. Now substitute g equal to 2, f equal to 3 in 1. 2 2s are 4. Next, what is f value? 3. 3 2s are 6 plus c is equals to minus 2. What is the value of c now? Minus 12. We obtain the constant c as minus 12. We have g, f, c. Can you write the equation of circle or not? So, the equation of circle passing through the first 3 points is what? X square plus y square. 2gx, 2 2s are 4. 4x. 2fy, 2 3s are 6. Plus 6y. Plus constant is what? That is minus 12. This is the circle passing through the 3 given points. That is the first 3 points. Right? This is the circle passing through these 3 points, say A, B, C. This is your D. Substitute the 4th point. What we left? If that point also satisfies this equation, we say that these 4 points lies on the circle. These 4 points lies on the circle. Now substitute. What happens? 2 2s are 4. 8 8s are 64. Minus 8 whole square is nothing but plus 64. Minus 8. Next, minus 48. Minus 12. This is 68. Minus 48 minus 12. Minus 60. Minus 60 minus 8. Minus 68. So 68 minus 68, that is equals to 0. So clearly the 4th point satisfies by circle passing through the first 3 points. What do you say? These 4 points are concyclic. 99% of the problem is finding the equation of circle passing through 3 points. Just you have add up the one condition, that is you have to substitute the 4th point in the circle equation itself. We obtain the equation of circle passing through 3 points and substitute the 4th point itself. If it satisfies, we say that the 4 points are concyclic. To find the equation of circle passing through the 3 points, we may use any method what we have discussed. You can write the shortcut also when it is objective question. If it is a subjective question, you have to write by taking SCG equal to 0 is the best method, or you have to find the center followed by radius. You can write x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to r square is also the best method. So don't use s plus lambda l is equals to 0 method in subjective. It is better to use in the objective mode. Okay, this is the way to show that the given 4 points are concyclic. Understand? Let us see the next concept. To find the equation formed by the lines. Here they are not given the vertices. They give the equation of lines itself. How many lines need to form a triangle? 3 lines. Their equations are given to you. You have to find out the equation of circumcircle of the triangle formed by the lines. That means, let us see the diagram. This is the first side of the triangle. This is the second side. This is the third side. This is the triangle obtained by the 3 lines. Okay. Now we have to find out the circumcircle. Circumcircle we mean the circle passing through the 3 vertices. A, B, C say we have to find out the equation of circle passing through the 3 points. This is called circumcircle of the triangle. How to do this one? Think yourself, it is very easy for you. How to do this one? You have the 3 equations. This is the first equation, this is the second equation, this is the third equation. They may be ax1 plus b, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0. 3 equations are given to you. By obtaining the 3 equations, can you solve these 2 equations or not? We get coordinates of A. By solving these 2 equations, can you get the coordinates of B or not? Yes. By solving 2 and 3, can you get the coordinates of C or not? Yes. So, your job is lengthy. That means, here you have to find out the vertices also. Vertices of triangle you have to find out by solving the lines itself. After getting the 3 points, we have to use the same method. Let S equal to 0 is the required equation of circle. Substitute the 3 points, get FGCs. Okay, substitute in S is equal to 0. The everything is same. So to get the points, what you have to do? Solve the equations. Solving 1 and 2, get 1 point. Solving 2 and 3, get another point. Solving 1 and 3, get the third point. After getting the vertices of triangle, you can easily write the equation of circle by passing through the 3 points by previous method. That is one method. After finding the coordinates of vertices of triangle, finding the equation of circumcircle is the one method. Next method is also there. It is a little bit of difficult. So I would like to explain that one also. Suppose you have 3 lines, L1 equal to 0, L2 equal to 0, L3 is equal to 0. These are the 3 equations. These are the 3 equations which represents the sides of the triangle. Am I correct or not? By using the 3 equations, how to get the equation of circumcircle without finding the points of intersections? Now I am going to write some expression like this. L1 L2 plus lambda into L2 L3 plus some mu into L3 L1 is equal to 0. I am constructing this type of equation. Anybody guess what is the degree of this equation? What is its degree? Yes, the degree of this equation is 2 because L1 is first degree, L2 is also first degree equation. By multiplying these 2 expressions, what you obtain? Second degree equation. Some second degree general equation is obtained by taking this type of expression. Can you tell me? You are saying some equation represents a circle. Okay. The coefficient of x square is equals to coefficient of y square and xy term is absent. So for this equation, you have to apply the conditions. Number 1 is coefficient of x square is equals to coefficient of y square. Coefficient of x square is equals to coefficient of y square and then xy term absent, that is coefficient of xy is equals to 0. By applying these 2 conditions to this equation, we have 2 equations in lambda and mu. We have 2 equations in lambda and mu. After getting the 2 equations, by solving, we obtain lambda value and mu value. keep the values of lambda and mu here itself, we obtain some expression that is equals to 0, that is equation, that is your required equation of circle. That is your required equation of the circle. This is the alternative method. It is also a little bit of difficult to solve the equation with respect to the calculation. So, even though I am going to explain this one, that is L1 L2 plus lambda into L2 L3 plus mu times of L3 L1 is equals to 0. This is the expression. If it is represents the circle equation by using these two conditions, coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square and coefficient of xy is equals to 0, we obtain two equations in lambda and mu. Solve them, we get lambda comma mu values, substitute here itself and expand each and every term. Here we obtain the circle equation because there is no xy term and coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. We obtain in this manner of ax square plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 manner. That is always represents a circle. This is the alternative method to find the equation of circumcircle of triangle when its sides equations are given to you. Without finding the vertices, you can find the equation of circle by this method also. So, coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square, coefficient of xy equal to 0. From these two conditions applied to this equation, we obtain two equations in lambda and mu. Solve them, we get lambda comma mu. Keep there, we obtain the equation of circle. Okay, let us see some problem. That is the diagram to this one. This is the question. Find the equation of circumcircle of triangle formed by the lines. Formed by the lines. So, you have two methods. This is first line, second line, third line. This is the corresponding circumcircle. This is the rough diagram to this problem. You have two methods. One method is finding the vertices and go for finding the equation of circle, or forming the expression L1 L2 plus lambda into L2 L3 plus mu into L3 L1 is equals to 0. Apply coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square and xy coefficient make 0. We obtain a lambda comma mu values, substitute in above, we get the answer. So, we will do one method and another method done by yourself. Suppose first of all I am going to find their points of intersections. A, B, C are the corresponding points of intersections, that is the vertices of our triangle. By solving equations 1 and 2, by depending upon the equations itself, you may choose which method is better. You take the first method or second method. The equations looks like very easy for you. You can easily find their points of intersections, I think so. So, by subtracting 1 from 2, what happened? 2x minus x, that is x, y gets cancelled, that is equals to minus 2. Substitute x equal to minus 2, what happened? Y is equals to 8. So, your point is minus 2 comma 8. 1 and 2. By solving 1 and 2. Solving 2 and 3. What happened? Subtract again, x gets cancelled, y minus 2y, that is minus y, is equal to 6 minus 5, that is 1, implies y equal to minus 1. Put y is equals to minus 1 here, what happened? X is equals to 7. Minus 2 comes to the right side, that is plus 2, 2 plus 5, 7, that is x equal to 7. So, the point is 7 comma minus 1. Next, solving 1 and 3. Multiplied the first equation by 2. What happened? 4x plus 2y is equal to 8 and x plus 2y equal to 5. Subtract 3x is equals to 3, x equal to 1. Substitute x equal to 1 in 3. We get 1 plus 2y is equal to 5. 2y is equals to 4, y is equals to 2. So, the third point is 1 comma 2. What is this? Third point by solving 3 and 1. So, you have the 3 points. minus 2 comma 8, 7 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 2. Can you proceed the next thing or not? By using these 3 points, you can easily find the equation of circle. So already we have done in the same model. Take S is equal to 0 is the required equation of circle and substitute the 3 points. We obtain 3 equations in FGC. Solve them, you get FGC values. Keep the values in S is equal to 0. We obtain the required equation of circle. Am I correct or not? So by obtaining the 3 points itself, we can write the equation of circle by taking S is equal to 0 as required equation of circle. Do it as homework. Okay. You can do the alternative method also. For this, what you have to prepare? You have to prepare this L1, L2 plus lambda into L2, L3 plus some mu into L3, L1 equal to 0. That means what? 2x plus y minus 4 into x plus y minus 6 plus lambda times of x plus y minus 6 into x plus 2y minus 5 plus mu times of x plus 2y minus 5 into 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of circles. Is it second degree equation or not? Yes, it is second degree equation. To obtain the equation of circle, what are the conditions here? Coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. What is the x square coefficient here? 2. Plus, what is the x square coefficient here? Lambda. What is the x square coefficient here? 2 mu. 2 plus lambda plus 2 mu is equal to coefficient of y square. Y into y, y square, that is 1. Here y into 2y, 2y square into lambda plus 2 lambda. Next, 2y into y, 2y square into mu plus 2 mu. This is the first condition. 2 mu gets cancelled. So what about my lambda now? Lambda equal to 1. Am I correct or not? 2 lambda minus lambda, lambda, 2 minus 1, 1. So we have lambda is equals to 1. Now coefficient of xy equal to 0. This is obtained by coefficient of x square is equals to coefficient of y square. This is coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. We obtain lambda is equals to 1. Now how to obtain xy coefficient? 2x into y, that is 2xy. So 2 is xy coefficient. Already we have xy coefficient here. X into y, xy, that is plus 1. 2 plus 1 is the xy coefficient here. Now plus lambda times of, what is xy coefficient here? X into 2y, that is 2. Y into x, xy, that is plus 1. Next again, plus mu times of x into y, xy, the coefficient is 1. 2y into 2x, what is that? 4xy, the coefficient is plus 4. In calculations, always you have to be careful. Okay? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3 lambda plus 5 mu is equals to 0. 3 lambda plus 5 mu plus 3 is equals to 0. What is your lambda value? 1. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 5 mu equal to 0. What is mu? Mu is equal to minus 6 by 5. Mu is also very easily obtained. So substitute the value of lambda as 1 and mu as minus 6 by 5. Just cross multiplying and multiply each and every term, we get the required equation of circle. The difficulty is only the expansion. Here the difficulty is only the expansion. That's it. Lambda and mu is obtained by very simple. By substitute lambda mu values in this equation itself, by expanding the entire thing will take a little bit time. Understand? So for every method there is some difficulties you have to overcome by taking more concentration. Understand? This is the alternative method to find the equation of circumcircle when its side equations are given to you instead of its vertices. Am I correct or not? So up to we have seen how to find the equation of circle passing through 3 points. What are concyclic points? When you are saying they are concyclic, what is the cyclic quadrilateral? how can you show the given 4 points are concyclic, and how to find the equation of circumcircle of the triangle formed by the three equations. It's side equations. 1, 2, 3 are the side equations. This is L1 equal to 0. This is L2 equal to 0. This is L3 equal to 0. There are two methods. By finding the vertices itself, you can find the equation of circle, or by writing the expression itself, we can find the equation of circle. This is the corresponding diagram to this problem. Understand? Okay. In this manner, we can find the equation of circle. You may use the second method also. Okay. But the expansion takes a little bit of time. Understand? Up to getting the lambda and mu values, it is very smooth. After substituting the lambda mu values, you have to expand that one. In each and every case, you have xy term removed. Okay, xy term is absent. That is why we are using the condition. See here, coefficient of xy is 0. In this manner, we obtain the value of mu minus 6 by 5. Clear? Now, see this very, very interesting concept. This is the next concept. See this one. What is given to you? The image of orthocenter of triangle with respect to any side of triangle lies on its circumcircle of the triangle. Read yourself. The image of orthocenter of triangle. If you have triangle, immediately it has orthocenter. Its image. What about image? The image of orthocenter of triangle with respect to what? Any side of triangle. We are finding the image of some point with respect to side of the triangle. What is the point here? Orthocenter. So, there is a triangle. It consists its orthocenter. You find the image of that point with respect to any side of the triangle. That always lies on its circumcircle of the triangle. So, the image must and should be lies on what? Circumcircle of the triangle. We mean the circle passing through three vertices of the triangle. Understand? What a beautiful result here. See this one. Let us try to draw the figure. This is the circle. Okay? Circumcircle of triangle. This is the triangle. Understand? This is the triangle. This is the circle passing through the three vertices of the triangle. So it is called circumcircle. Okay. This is one of the altitude. What we need to go for altitude? The point of concurrence of altitudes is nothing but orthocenter. This is the one of the altitude. This is the another altitude. So its point of intersection is orthocenter. There exists another altitude also. I am not supposed to write the another altitude. We got orthocenter in this manner. Okay. This is your orthocenter. Now just to join these 2 points. Why connecting these 2 points? I will explain. This is the corresponding diagram. What is your aim? You have to show that image of orthocenter must and should be lies on the circumcircle. This is your circumcircle. Am I correct or not? This is orthocenter. Take one side. This is my one of the side. I am going to find the image of this orthocenter with respect to this side. This is the image. What you are going to show? You are going to show that the image of this point with respect to line lies on the circumcircle of the triangle. That is your target. See the result. How to show this one? First of all, I initiate the vertices. A, B, C are the vertices of triangle. The corresponding angles are A, B, C. We mean what is the angle here? C. What is your climb, my dear students? Is it perpendicular? These two lines are perpendicular or not? Yes, because this is altitude. Altitude is perpendicular to the corresponding side. This is 90 degrees. Perpendicular bisector means that will be perpendicular and bisect. So we have to show that BC is the perpendicular bisector of OO dash. Perpendicular bisector of OO dash. Clearly one thing is already happened, because by definition of the altitude itself, BC is perpendicular to our AO dash. Right? What we need to go for, show that you are going to show that, suppose this is a X, these two lengths are equal. We have to show that these two lengths are equal. When OX is equal to XO dash, your job is over. Am I correct or not? This is the line perpendicular bisector of OO dash. Then these 2 points are mirror images with respect to this line. Am I correct or not? So your job is tends to OX is equal to XO dash. OX is equal to XO dash. For that I am going to try this one. See, my dear students, if it is angle C, is it 90 degrees or not? Because it is altitude. Now tell me, C 90 degrees. What is the angle here? This is immediately 90 minus C. This is 90 minus C. Now this is one segment of the circle or not? The entire thing is one segment, major segment. In this major segment, the angles in the same segment are equal, discussed. For this AB, this is angle C. My question is it angle C or not? Angles in the same segment are equal. This is angle C. This is also angle C. These two are equal. Angles in the same segment are equal. This is 90 degrees. If it is C, automatically this will be also 90 minus C. Why we are doing all these things? This is 90 degrees. This is also C. See these two triangles, 90 minus C, 90, C, 90, C, 90, C. So these two are congruent triangles or not? Yes, these two are congruent triangles. When these two triangles are congruent to each other, immediately these two lengths are equal or not? Yes, these two lengths are equal. That is why XC is equal to XO is equals to XO dash. So, to show these two lengths are equal, I am going to show that these two triangles are congruent triangles. To show these two triangles are congruent, I have used two concepts. Angle in same segment are equal, that is one thing, and another thing is very little thing. This is the C, it is 90 degrees, it is automatically 90 minus C. The student must and should think that if it is C, immediately the angle is also C here with respect to this segment. That is a wonderful observation from this figure itself. If you observe that thing itself, we obtain the result. Angles in the same segment are equal is very, very important identification from the figure itself. We obtain the beautiful result. That means the image of orthocenter of triangle with respect to any side of the same triangle must and should be lies on the circumcircle of the triangle. Lies on the circumcircle of the triangle. This is the story. So let us see the one. This is the similar problem to you. See here, the triangle ABC is there. The equation of side BC is also given to you. Okay, this is the triangle, rough diagram. Its equation of one of the side is what? X minus y is equals to 0. The circumcenter and orthocenter of the triangle are 2, 3 and 5, 8. 2, 3 is the circumcenter, orthocenter is like this. What is your orthocenter? 5, 8. 5, 8 is the orthocenter. Then find the equation of circumcircle of the triangle. You have to find out the equation of circumcircle of the triangle. Okay, very simple. This is your circumcenter, say. Suppose this is your center of the circle. What is the center of the circle given to you? 2, 3. This is center. What is 5, 8? Are the center. How to do this one? Already we have center. C is equals to 2, 3. Once if you get the radius of circle, your job is over. How to get the radius? Can I get any point on the circumference of the circle or not? Yes, immediately we obtain the point on the circle, because if it is orthocenter, the image of orthocenter with respect to the side must and should be lies on the circumcircle of the triangle. So if it is O, can I get O dash or not? Just by finding the image of 5, 8 with respect to x equal to y. What is the immediate image? 8, 5. This is x equal to y. The image should be 8, 5. So 8, 5 is your one of the point on the circle P, say, that is O dash, that is 8, 5. What is radius? R is equals to Cp, that is nothing but root of 6 square, that is 36 plus 4, that is nothing but root 40. You have the radius, you have the center. Can you write the equation of circle or not? Yes, that is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equals to 40. This is the equation of circle. Without knowing the knowledge that the image of orthocenter with respect to side lies on the circumcircle of triangle, we can't do this problem. With the help of that concept itself, we obtain some point on the circle. Once if you have the point on the circle, immediately we obtain the radius. Once if you know the center and radius, you can write the equation of circle by x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equals to r square. In this manner, we crack this problem. Okay? Thank you.